Looking to make money online or earn from anywhere in 2025? In this video, Realcast bring you the top 10 side hustles that are flexible, profitable, and perfect for working remotely, whether you are at home or traveling the world. From freelance writing to AI services, there's something for everyone. First is freelance writing and copywriting. Writing is one of the most in demand skills in 2025. Companies need blogs, ad copies, emails, and more, and they are willing to pay good money. So, start by signing up on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn services. Specialize in a niche like tech, health, or finance to attract higher paying clients. Use tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT to speed up your process. And if you can write clearly and persuasively, this hustle can easily make you earn $1,000 per month plus part time. Second is virtual assistants. Busy entrepreneurs need help, and that's where virtual assistant comes in. Tasks including managing emails, scheduling, handling social media, and more. All you need is good organization and communication skills. Platforms like Belay, Zerwell, and Upwork are great for landing gigs. So here you can earn from $10 to $40 per hour depending on your experience. And this hustle is ideal for anyone who is detail oriented and enjoys supporting others. Third is selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products is hot in 2025. Here you can sell ebooks, Canva, templates, Notion, planners, or AI prompt packs on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own site. And the best part, you build once and sell forever. It's passive income at its finest. Even better, you don't need to be a designer. Tools like Canva and ChatGPT make creation easy. Just pick a niche, solve a problem, and start selling. Fourth is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. Use a YouTube channel, blog, or Instagram page to talk about tools, books, or gadgets you love. Join affiliate network like Amazon Associates, Impact, ShareAsle, or ClickBank. It takes time to build traffic, but once you do, it becomes a powerful passive income stream. No inventory, no customer service, just smart content and promotion. Now, fifth is YouTube channel or podcast. Got something to say? Start a YouTube channel or podcast in 2025. Pick a niche, finance, self-worth, tech, or lifestyle. Go ahead. Use tools like CapCut or Descript to edit easily. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorship once you gain transact. Even if you start with just a phone and free tools, consistency is the key. Remember, everyone starts at zero, and your voice matters. Sixth is online tutoring and coaching. Education has gone digital, and if you are good at maths, language, coding, or even career advice, you can get paid for it. Start on Preplay, Check Tutor, or create your own course on Teachable. Here you can earn from $20 to $100 per hour depending on the subject. Add value with one-on-one coaching, especially in areas like career growth, finance, or wellness. This hustle combines impact with income, which is perfect for skilled professional. Seventh is drop shipping and e-commerce. Want to run a store without inventory? Try drop shopping in 2025 with platforms like Shopify and Printify. You can sell products and automate fulfillment. Focus on trending niches like wellness, home office gear, or eco-friendly items. Use TikTok and Instagram Reels for free marketing. It takes some testing, but with the right product and traffic, it can sell fast. Just remember, customer service is the key. 8 is social media manager. Brands and influencers need help managing their accounts. If you know how to grow on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, this hustle is for you. Here, create your content, schedule, post, and track analytics using tools like Buffer or Later. Offer your service to small businesses or personal brands. You can charge anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month, even more with results, which is great for creatives who love social media. Neither is stock photography and videography. If you love photography or shooting B-roll, turn your content into cash. Upload to show sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pexels, and earn royalties every time someone downloads your work. Travel content, lifestyle shots, and vertical videos are hot in 2025. This side hustle takes time to build, but it creates long-term passive income from your creativity. 10th is AI and automation services. AI is booming and businesses need help. So, if you know how to use tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, or Notion AI, you can self setup and training services. Offer prompt creation, chatbot setup, or automation workflow. Chats will gladly pay for time saving systems. You don't need to be a coder, just understand the tools and how to solve business problems. This is the futuristic hustle with serious earning potential. And that wraps up our total top 10 side hustles in 2025. All flexible, all remote, and full of potential. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comment box. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Real Cash for more money making tips every week. Thanks for watching. Now go to start building your income stream. Thank you.